climbed up the garden wall. Raindrops splashed down, splish, splash, fall. Down came the water and washed her far away. But the brave little spider smiled and said, "Okay." Out came the sun with a golden glow. It dried up the raindrops nice and slow. The brave little spider shook off her hat and climbed again. Imagine that! She met a butterfly with wings so wide. They danced on petals side by side. A ladybug waved with a polka-dot cheer. "Keep going, Spider, you're almost near." At the top she built a web so neat, with silver threads and a cozy seat. She looked at the sky so big